Hello! Alright, I'm super excited today. I'll tell you why. I just cannot wait to share with you this awesomeness. Awesomeness comes in this package in the form of a pillow from Purple. We're all familiar with the name Purple Mattress, one of the best mattresses out there, the original one at least. But today I'm talking about their new launch. They just released their Purple pillow. This one is called the Harmony. Now, just so you know, I have had the original Purple pillow, which is not this one. Hold on, because I'm gonna need my muscles to grab it. Oh my god. So, if your partner snores and you really want to shut them up forever, not just like temporary forever, just put this on top of their heads, on their faces, and they will just, mute. But anyway, I don't know what's the purpose of the original purple pillow, honestly, still. I'm trying to figure it out. I sometimes just sit by the lake and sit down on it. This is the most usage I can take advantage of when it comes to the purple pillow. This is the original one and it's so heavy. But it's a good workout. But this is everything. Everything. Alright, so the key, just so you guys know, is not just what's inside the Harmony. I'm gonna unzip it and show you. First of all, made in the USA. I love everything made in America. The inside, check this out. Now, it's Tallow latex. I will show you what's inside up close later on as we zoom in. But this is not really the secret or the key to an awesome night's sleep when you lay down in the Harmony. It's this. It's this honeycomb shape cover. So, but it's stretchy. It keeps the airflow going on and on and on. The more that you lay down and the more you sleep on it, it's so comfortable. You don't have to wake up to flip the pillow anymore. This is everything you need. And it's called the 360 Hex Grid. Like hexagon, But I like to call it honeycomb because it's so soft and pure. Like, oh my gosh, I love it so much. Okay, so this is the purple pillow. You must check it out. Harmony. I absolutely love it. Check out these little holes, I mean, it's everything you need. I will put a cover on top of it so I can sleep on it from now on. I've tried it already, but made a big mistake not putting cover on it. But you must cover it and keep it forever and ever, because you're gonna love it once you lay down on it. Purple, 360, Hex, Grid, Harmony. Check it out. Now, don't go anywhere. Remember when I said you can replace anything? Because the key, this is important. What's inside is really important. But I believe it's this also. That grid. But I'm going to replace it with something else. I do have this other pillow in handy. I'm going to go ahead and put it inside. See what happens. Still feels great. Quiet, please, dogs. Okay. It's like having kids. Feels still good. I know, I just replaced the inside. I took out the Tallow latex insert and replaced it with shredded foam. The secret is all in that beautiful grid here. This is what I believe. They don't sell this yet, but if Purple is watching, they might consider it because it's still an awesome product. I seriously love it, and I think they should get rid of the original one already if they haven't yet. Again, it's a great exercise, a great workout, so I don't have to hit the gym. I just grab the pillow and just run, in the neighborhood. Thanks for watching. Again, this is really amazing news. The Harmony pillow from Purple, their brand new pillow. Check it out. and I'll see you next time.